Hi, Clifton early learners. We thought today would be fun if we did a little science together. So we have some ingredients that you might have at home in case you wanted to try this experiment. So what you'll need is vinegar. It's a little stinky, but it works well for this experiment. And baking soda. Those are the two most important ingredients. Now, for a special surprise, we also used food coloring for this experiment. So what we did is we have here a little, like an ice tray, and in the bottom of each ice tray, I dripped a couple of drops, like 2 drops of food coloring in every spot, and then I covered it up with baking soda, and then we're gonna use some vinegar here and see what happens, okay? So because we use food coloring, it's gonna be a little bit of a special surprise for each one we do, okay? So Lola's my helper, and she is going to use, you can use either, usually eyedroppers work the best, but we don't have eyedroppers at our house. So we have a medicine dropper or a measuring spoon or anything that you can use to scoop up the vinegar and pour it into each of the spots, okay? So I think, are you gonna try the medicine dropper first or the spoon? Use a spoon first? Yeah, okay. All right, so I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer here so people can see the experiment. All right, so there you go. You get a better look at what's happening inside the ice trays, okay? Now, all right, Lola, try it out. Let's show everyone what happens when you pour in the vinegar. So maybe you want to make a guess. What do you think is going to happen when she adds this vinegar into each of these little cubes here? You want to watch with us? Okay, here she goes. Pouring in the vinegar. Do you hear that? Making like a bubbling noise. I think it needs more, Lola. You see anything happening in there? Whoa! All the bubbles! All right, so use the eyedropper, or the medicine dropper, and suck up some more vinegar in there. Okay, try another one. Let's see what happens in another one.
I'm gonna put all of it and see what happens.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
It almost spilled all over the whole top. Let's see. Try again.
All of it.
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
You did it really fast. The yellow popped up.
That was cool.
Let's try again. Which one do you do this time?
This one. See what happens. Whoa!
Oh my goodness, it spilled over. So I think it's really, as you see, the vinegar bubbles over a lot. So that's why I put the glass tray underneath the little pan. So that way, if it does bubble over, it catches and doesn't make a big mess on your table.
Yeah.
All right, getting some more there.
Whoa! Oh, phew.
So then when you do it slowly, it makes a little bit of bubbles, but when you put a lot of vinegar in there.
And when you do it like, it goes like that.
Oh man.
Let's try this. Watch this.
Whoa!
Wait, it's white.
That one is white. What happened to the coloring in that one? Did you notice this one? Look what happened in there. There was yellow in this and blue in there. And then the blue spilled over into the yellow, and what happened?
it made green and yellow.
Oh my goodness. So in the blue mixed with the yellow.
Okay, watch this. And
Ooh, still some more bubbles happening. Whoa.
wow!
Holy.
No, my gosh.
All right, let's see if there's any more colors hiding in the bottoms of these. Another blue one.
Oh my, uh-oh, we're almost out of this.
Oh, we have more in the jug. We can always add more if we need it.
No, this one. Oh,
Whoa!
oh
It's
my.
It splurted. Oh, what color is that one?
Orange.
Orange. Oh my. Okay, you have 4 more.
Wait, I need to get some more in here.
Yeah. Definitely made more bubbles. Oh, a yellow one. All right, Clifton families, I hope you enjoyed our experiment. If you want to do this at home, again, you'll
No,
need
it's not
white vinegar.
done.
That's okay. They can try it at home and watch while I tell them the end. You'll need baking soda, some little cube tray or something to keep your ingredients in. And again, I would suggest something underneath to catch all the spillover in case. And you can use food coloring to add some extra fun to it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you are all staying healthy at home and you are finding some fun ways to connect with your families during this time. And hopefully maybe you'll want to be adventurous and try out our little baking soda and vinegar experiment. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day. We hope we will see you soon.
Black.
Oh my goodness, it turned black. All right, bye-bye.